We are now in Germany, guys. But the problem is, it's raining. Malas natin. Hindi natin ma-enjoy yung view. This is the palace. And this is the opera. Germany! My friends are having fun. Nakaka-amaze lang, no? Kasi napaka-develop ng country nila. Mapapansin niyo maulan. Dami ibon doon, guys. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita sa camera, pero ayan, nagliliparan. The best. Sana kaya pumunta yung mga kasama ko. Tumutunog na yung cathedral nila. Guys, ayan yung train nila. Ganda.
The next day.
Hello guys, welcome to Berlin here in Germany. So we are now currently in the front of cathedral. This is the cathedral here in Berlin. Ayun na yung mga kasama natin. We have to make it fast. Yeah, that's it. A good view. That's the Berlin Wall, right? So guys, that's the Berlin Wall. It symbolizes how they are free from the west part ng Berlin dahil sa karahasan, sa patuloy na karahasan ng mga nakaraang digmaan. Ang dami nag-suffer. So yung iba, ang ginawa na lang is tumakas by the use of tunnel or yung aircraft or a small plane. Welcome to Berlin! Woo! Ang layo niya na narating natin, guys. And now, we are here na, guys. Come on! We are feeling the vibes. Guys, the king on top, also known as King Kaiser, represents how Germany being powerful among other countries. And you would see there's a bird on the top. It symbolizes emancipation, being emancipated from the other countries and how they are different from the other countries. Ito na nga, naglalakad tayo. So ito na nga guys, yung cemetery, yung pinaka-famous kung saan sinunog. Napanood nyo yung The Boy in a Striped Pajamas? Dito daw nilibing lahat ng mga yung kasama sa gas kung saan na-burn. Guys, grabe ang dami Ang dami nila. Nakakaiyak naman. Guys, may mga lumalabas na Houten. Ayan yung isa, Lailai Houten. Yung pinakadulo naman doon sa Big sa Houten.
Uy, pinapahirapan tayo ni Stefan.
Oh my God, let's make it fast, guys. Ayun na yung tour guide namin. They are closing. Baka maiwan tayo. Oh my God. Hello, guys. So this is Hamburg. The 6th largest city in the Germany. And as far as our tour guide is concerned, according to his extensive research, one of the particular periods here in Hamburg, namatay daw ng 60% ng population nila. And there was also one period. Ha? Oh my God, ang ganda fella. So this is the port, guys, where everybody meets. Yeah. Now, how's it going, guys?
Hey, kalamig.
Yeah, water.
Group photo one.
Group photo. They have Christmas market here. Okay guys, you can do that. Lalaki ng service nila eh. Which is, patong-patong tayo kasi sobrang lamig na naman. So, yan na. Yeah, that's me. Yeah, just like that. Okay. I'm good. So, ito na nga guys. Naglalakad tayo. Papuntang breakfast area. Nakakatuwa lang kasi yung elevator nila dito nagsa-start sa 0. Unlike in the Philippines, walang number 1, diba? Diretso number 2. Dito may 0, 1, 2, 3. Tapos may mga negative pa. Negative 1 pag basement 1. Hey! Yung mga kasama ko, ang bilis nila. Kakatapos lang nila kumain. Buti pa sila. Guys, paalis na tayo. Oh my god. It's a surprise, guys. You see this? It's snowing. Woo, woo. Woo. Oh my god.
Oh my God!
Woo.
As video friend!
Oh my god, first time ko man maka-encounter ng
Video friend!
woo.
Friend,
Woo.
tingin, friend!
So, tingin-tingin tayo. Woo. And
Hi! Sabi mo.
woo. Guys, oh my god. Oh, fuck. Oh. Fast. Come on, guys. Oh my god, ng snow. Oh no, guys. I love it.
Mommy.
Oh my god. Magsa-snow.
Malalaki. Mami, okay na yan. Ika na, alam mo na yung gagawin. Ayun mo.
Guys, eto na. Nag-snow pa rin. And we are heading to Netherlands. First time natin maka-encounter ng ganito. And the best. Yung feeling na parang, you know, it's different for us. Sa McDonald's na lang tayo kasi mas parang walang bayad yung CR doon. Ang lamig sa paa. Madulas siya. Mag-ingat na lang tayo. So yun nga guys. Try nga natin to. I'm gonna buy it.
Ako words. Ate, nakatawag ng security guard. Kuya,
Masarap siya guys. Para sa cheesecake. Kala ko ano to eh. Ice cream sa loob.
Information. We will first go to the Van Gogh Museum. We will stop there just for photo shoot.
Magka-partner
Sama tayo sa kanila.
Correct. Go.
There's a bike lane, guys. Ayan, no? Hey man, hello everybody. This is Herman. Everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this time, we are now in Amsterdam. Yes, here in Netherlands. And kakababa lang natin. We were divided into 3, which is group 1, 2, 3, and we are now in group 3. The thing here is may batas daw sa Netherlands na bawal maglakad ng more than 15 members. It should it trigger the government to have or show to na baka alam mo yan, for political purposes. My friends are having fun, guys. You see that? Go!
Taran, go!
So guys, this is the Van Gogh Museum, which is very famous here in Amsterdam. And as you know, isa to sa mga pinakasikat na pinupuntahan dito sa Amsterdam. So yun na nga guys, malamig pa rin. We are still in Amsterdam, which is the capital city of Netherlands. And we all know that Amsterdam is the lowest sea level of all countries here in Europe. And Amsterdam is also the tulip capital of the world. And do you know guys that here in Amsterdam, they have 1,000 windmill. Yes, isa po sila sa may hawak. Oh, may kalapating lumilipad. Careful with the bike daw. Let's go. So, ingat-ingat lang tayo sa bike. Kasi mas madami daw yung bikes kaysa sa mga tao dito sa Netherlands. Ay, baka. Guys, dito kayo. May mga bikes dyan, no? So, nasa port tayo. Pumunta natin yung boat. Kasi we will gonna have a boat cruising, which is to see the whole view of Netherlands. And the good thing is hindi masyado umuulan, hindi mahangin, so parang sumusunod sa plano yung weather natin ngayon. Ang Netherlands kasi, this is the below sea level ng Europe. Kita mo yung mga bahay talaga, very distinctive na talagang Netherlands yung mga bahay nila. Iba yung style. Let's go guys. Hey, this town. Ang bilis niya. And he's so serious.
Yeah. Serious now.
Yeah. Amoy cannabis yung ano to. Area na to. Which is, alam naman natin na very legal sa kanila yung buying or using cannabis. Mostly daw, karamihan sa mga coffee shop nila, nag-offer sila ng cannabis coffee, which is legal naman daw dito. Amoy. Amoy talaga. Naamoy mo ba yan? Cannabis yun eh. May drug yun eh, drugs.
Sinisipan na kasi ako.
Ha? Ang layo ng pupuntahan natin ah. Oo. Bawal mag-stop. Let's take him seriously. Yeah, what type of flag is that?
Company flag.
Oh. Careful, guys. So, yun na nga, yung tour guide namin. Napakaseryoso niya. Kasi late na kami, almost late na kami. So, kailangan namin makatch yung boat. Or else, hindi na natin makikita yung view ng Netherlands here in Amsterdam. Woo! So, in here, ang daming kalapati, guys. Para lang siya sa ano to. Sa Paris or France. Okay, guys. Let's go. Hawakan, baka mahulog. Oh my God. This is it. Sa likod na lang. I'm gonna use the toilet. Sige. Alright. Galing tayo kanina dyan. Diyan tayo naglalakad kanina. Yan ang nilakaran natin. Baho ng tubig. Ito na yung big view ng Amsterdam. Kakabalik lang natin. Kakatapos lang ng boat cruising namin. And napaka-explicit naman ng ano to. Ng signages ng bridge nila. You see that? It formed a type of Kama Sutra. Something like that. So ito, pupuntahan natin ang pinaka-famous na bahay ni Anne Frank, which is laging dinadagsa dito sa Amsterdam. Hindi pwedeng hindi ka pumunta dito.
So this is the museum, and on the front side, just here, straight and right, is the house where she was living originally.
Anne Frank Huis. So ito na daw yung bahay ni Anne. Yes ma, 15 minutes daw. Ito yung bahay niya.
Madilim, okay lang? Madilim, okay lang? Madilim, Jack.
It's okay.
Gawa kasi mag-start.
Kung mapapansin natin, no? Similar lang yung mga street nila. May mga bike, tapos ganito. Napapalibutan talaga ng dagat. Parang simple lang yung pamumuhay dito. Hindi masyadong crowded, hindi masyadong tao pa ganito oras. Tapos may mga turista kayo na nagbo-boat cruising. Tapos karamihan sa kanila, bicycle yung mode of transportation nila. Sometimes they use they have their tram, taxi, pero mostly, puro bike talaga.
A few moments later.
We are now in Netherlands. So, as you could observe, nakapasok lang natin. Tapos, I'll be giving you a quick tour of my room. Sa pagpasok natin, nandito yung toilet and bath, which is, ayan. We have our water closet, the vanity mirror. We have some complimentary conditioner and shampoo, at saka body soap. Then, this is the toilet. Yung shower natin. Tapos, they also provided some, towels. Then here we have the cabinet. This is my bed. This is a king size bed, good for 2 persons. This is my console table if I have plans to, to study or, for office work. This is the mirror, full body mirror. If I'm gonna check my OOTD. Tapos dito sa side, may table, 2 chairs with table. Tapos ito yung view natin sa labas. I think di natin makita kasi gabi na.
The next day.
Hey man, hello everybody. This is Heman, your everybody. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are now in Rotterdam, here in Netherlands, and as you could see, it's raining outside. Lakas na ulan, tapos hindi natin ito na-anticipate. Kailangan everybody has an umbrella. Yes, tuloy na tuloy.
Perfect lighting.
I love it. Ang cute na mga design sa mga building sila. You see that? Oh my God, ang cute oh. Tignan mo yung mga structure ng houses sila. Talagang inspired by the cube shape. Shaped by cube. Yeah, here. Oh my God, I love it. Very unique, very modern, and quite expensive, very tiny, and how could you imagine more kung paano ka titira nito? Okay, sana yung port. Where's the largest port in Europe? Saan tayo yung port? Guys, ibang-iba din yung mall nila, oh. Ang taas ng ceiling. Sayang yung space. Grabe naman. Yung ceiling talaga. Ayan.
It's more on the food side. Sa baba yata yun. Ganda ng art.
Oo, ang ganda. Oh, this.
Na-video mo, girl?
Oh, ayan. Kahit yung ceiling, guys, may ano to. May design, may art. Oh my God, may mga basement din pala to. Let's go. So, naghanap tayo ng toilet.
Ay, grocery din, no?
Ay, oo nga, ayun, oh. Pasok tayo?
Yun yung katapat kahapon, di ba? Ready na puntahan natin.
Ay, magbabayad. Lahat ng toilet dito sa Europe, puro ano to eh. Kailangan bayaran.